does it work? So you have IoT devices, right? The IoT devices send some data through the internet, and that data is relayed to a corporate data center or to the cloud. The cloud makes some decision, and then the decision is relayed back to the IoT device, and the IoT device would carry out that action. So in this case, for example, if we consider the IoT device in an agricultural field, which is looking at the moisture data would be constantly sent to the data center. And based on that data, the data center would do some data analytics or carry out some AI techniques on it. And based on that, it would say, okay, do you need to irrigate the crops? And if you do, how much water should be released and so on. So this example can be used in various other domains. For example, in the industrial IoT, you might have some sensors on the robotic arm, which senses, for example, that some object on the assembly line, it has some issue with it. So sending the data back to the data center, and then operators would decide, okay, should we discard that object or not? So you can have multiple different types of scenarios over here. So as I said, IoT device it's an interdisciplinary domain. So multiple technologies are involved over there. So you have sensing technologies, which comes under the umbrella of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, or other types of engineering, even chemical engineering. Then you have information management, which comes under the umbrella of computing normally. Data analytics, again, computing people are, responsible for this. Then again, networking, which might be in computer engineering, embedded hardware, computer engineering, radio spectrum, electrical engineering, mobile computing, again, computer engineering or computer science, communication technologies, electrical, telecom, and then software architecture, which comes from computing. So this would give you an idea that if someone wants to work on IoT, they should have a good, at least if they're not an expert in each one of them, they should have a good idea of each one of them. Okay, so coming back to this, so if you look at people who are working in IoT, if you look at their background, right, they would have a background which involves electrical engineering, computer engineering, and computer science. So that's very normal, and that's this circle you can see, this is one of the reasons that people who have a very diverse background are very successful in working in IoT, because it is an interdisciplinary domain. Some universities like FAST has introduced a BS IoT program, and I think other universities in Pakistan would also follow. And one of the reasons is that you have to equip the students with all these